Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you all my fidget toys. Fidget toys. Okay, first up is this little fidget cube. This is what you do. So you go, you can rub your finger, you can do this, rub your finger, do this, turn it off. Ooh. Got this from a friend. Her name is Ashley. And then you have these little buttons, like so. And okay, so I got the second fidget. Sissy, what are you doing?
Moving. Are you using my cup?
Nope.
Okay.
And I get this. And I got this little thingy that you can do stuff on it. And yeah. What are you doing? And I'll get the other one. Number 3. I probably have like 10 of them. We got this little squishy ball. Number 4. It's not really fidget, but I just like to play with it like a fidget. Get it out. It's like a vomit thing. It will vomit. Like that. Ew, it's disgusting. And this is what the slime looks like. Whoa, it's dirty. Ew. It's a trouble to get back in. So since it's already dirty, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Then I have number 5, I think, or 6. I think it's 6. Okay, number 6. You all, I'll probably keep it up, so give it a thumbs up if it's 6, and give it a thumbs up if it's 5. I'm trying to make it to 20 subscribers, so please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. So it's like a pink and purplish. Pink and purplish color. Here. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Ah! Gelatin. Ew. Gelatin. Ooh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I like this. It's wet.
Process. So I bet he's getting the jet skis put over in our name. So this could take a while.
Yes.
I'm gonna go get
you got it. I like this. Yeah. This is what it feels like. Yeah. I think I'm gonna leave this one out. Play with it later. I'll go get another one, which I have 2 more. They're in my bag, but I don't know. Oh no, they're still in the package, so I don't think I should get them out right now. Okay, bye.